Welcome to Branson Hills. Branson Hills Golf Club is a tribute course honoring legendary Missouri golfers. Natural rock outcroppings, waterfalls, creeks and wooded areas are incorporated into its design features. Yardages vary from 7,324 to 5,323. Of looking for a tiny home with a two-car garage with a view of Table Rock Lake? This lot has an 896 square feet garage and the potential to be finished out to be a tiny home, fishing cottage, studio, or a shop. Utilities available include water and electric. Septic will need to be installed, hole already excavated. For extra $224 by 10 slips directly behind 514 Redwood Lane on the left-hand side of the blue dock. All your getaway needs, and just 8 minutes from Branson.